My name is Jane and I'm from Malaysia. I joined DewTouch for around 2 years, and I'm the personal assistant to the director. I found this job in the Taiwan job portal, and I feel it's very interesting because it's a Singapore-based company. DewTouch is very open to foreigners to join this company, and yes, we do have colleagues from Vietnam, Indonesia, Japan, Malaysia, and Taiwan. So, and we are very happy to share our own cultures. The most significant skill is like Adobe products, because I help in design job in marketing, for marketing also. So yeah, this is the most significant one. I hope DewTouch can grow to a bigger company, and we will have more colleagues all over the world. I feel everyone plays a very important role in this company, and boss treats everyone equally, and most importantly, he cares about how we feel when we work here, and he wants us to be happy.
I'm Claudine from DewTouch. My position is accounts. I want to learn more knowledge. I learn the teamwork, how to keep a good relationship with customers, because it's a comfortable environment for me.